Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You know it's Rush the Discovery Boss, and I'm here with another video. Today we'll be doing an update on the new leg of the highway from Maypen to Mandeville. So just want to give you guys some update on that project. So we're currently at the end of the current highway, which ends right at Glenmuir Road. So that's where I'm at right now, but I'm gonna show you guys exactly where I'm at so you guys can see. And then we also will try get some drone footage just to show you guys the update on the highway. So stay tuned. Alright, and ensure that you watch to the end, guys. This video may be a little bit longer because I'm gonna try get some drone footage in. It's an overcast morning here in Maypen, Clarendon. We're on the dirt path to Woodley Sports Complex. They have go-kart and I think a range as well. And then right over this side is where the highway officially ends right now. So this is where it's gonna continue from and then run all the way to Mandeville, Manchester. Remember to like the video, guys, leave a comment and share as well. I know a lot of persons have been asking for an update on this leg of the highway construction, so this is it for you guys. And if you watch a few videos and haven't yet subscribed, you know, remember subscribing is completely free. You know, so show your support, join the family and subscribe. So where we're heading right now is the roundabout, the Glenmuir roundabout. Whoa, a lot of work have happened here, so you guys may not be able to see it properly. Alright, let me see what I can. I'm gonna pull over and show you guys what's happening down in the riverbed. This section is new to me as well, so I'm gonna pull over as safe as possible right here. Alright, let me go down a little bit more. I think here is good. Alright, wait for it, guys. Gonna show you guys some early clips. Alright guys, so there you got some shots of them preparing for foundation work for the second bridge for the highway, because the highway will have to get its own bridge. So that's what they're currently working on. Alright, so this is a little park area right at the Glenmuir Bridge. Alright, so this is a little park right just before you go on Glenmuir Road on the outskirts of Maypen, Clarendon. Well-maintained park. Could have had some more work, but you know, still better than some bush and wild tree. So they're trying. Then over there is the highway, but in a few you guys will be seeing it from an eagle eyes perspective. So, rush eagle eye view. Alright guys, let's get this going. Well, someone living under the bridge over there. Not sure if you guys can see that far. So everywhere you go, persons are always in need. Hey guys, so we're going into the eagle eye views now, so stay tuned, watch to the end while we take a look from up in the air. So let's go. Alright guys, so there you just had some eagle eye shots of the highway. We're able to see, you know, the progress of the work. Right here is where they're building a bridge to go over this road. So that's what they're building right now. On this side you can see some steel work. Sorry for the vibration, but the road is very bad. So they're building the overhead bridge for this section. This is Bogor Road, by the way. Sorry I didn't say that. That's Bogor Road. And the highway will run across Bogor Road. So they need to put a bridge over Bogor Road. So for most part, the pathway of the highway is set. Not sure how close to Mandeville they have reached with the pathway, but as time go by and we do more and more updates, I'll do updates and I'll try to do drone views from different sections of the highway. So this was the first one, which is at the Mineralites roundabout. The next one I'll probably do from here or down Bogor Road side. So all that dirt on the right is where they have dug out for the foundation for the bridge on this side. So lots of work. It will take some time, it will take a few years, but when they're finished, it's gonna be something that everybody will be proud of and everybody will be happy for as well. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna drive down to the 4-pass road crossing. Now we cross over a road down that side, so I'll end the video there. So stay tuned, watch till the end. Alright guys, so this is another section. This is Denby Drive, close to 4-pass. So another bridge will be built here. So this is the foundation. I'll show you guys a little bit closer. So this is very close to 4-pass. So the highway will run across a few main roads, so they have to build bridges. Alright, so the day is a little bit overcast, so apologies for the poor lighting. Alright, let's take a little look in the trench. So this trench is the foundation for the overhead bridge. So they have to be very deep. Alright guys, so thanks for liking, thanks for subscribing, thanks for commenting, thanks for sharing as well. Leave your comment, let me know what you think about the highway so far. Another update for you guys, a lot of person have been asking, so happy I was able to make it down in Pen and do an update for you guys.